QIDI Tech I-Fast 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professional and hobbyist users. Known for its robust build quality and versatility, it offers a range of features that make it suitable for printing complex and high-quality models. Here are some key features and specifications of the QIDI I-Fast 3D printer. Key features: 1. Dual extruder. The I-Fast comes with a dual extrusion system, allowing for multi-material printing or the use of soluble support structures. 2. Large build volume. It features a spacious build area of 330 x 250 x 320 meter, accommodating larger prints. 3. Enclosed print chamber. The enclosed design helps maintain a stable temperature inside the printing area, improving print quality and reducing warping for materials like ABS 4. Heated bed. The printer includes a heated build plate, which is essential for printing with materials that require a consistent temperature to prevent warping. 5. High temperature extruder. The extruders can reach high temperatures, enabling the use of a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, nylon, and more. 6. Touchscreen interface. A user-friendly touchscreen interface makes it easy to control and monitor the printer. 7. Wi-Fi connectivity. The I-Fast supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for remote control and monitoring of print jobs. 8. Resume printing function. In case of power outages, the printer can resume printing from where it left off, reducing the risk of print failures. 9. Automatic bed leveling. This feature ensures that the print bed is level before starting a print, improving first layer adhesion and overall print quality.